Let's make an electromagnet using a simple battery. Take an iron nail. Take a copper wire and wrap it around the nail in a spiral pattern, leaving 2 lengths of wire on either end. Now line up the 2 ends of copper wire with a battery. Now place some metal objects on the table. Move the nail near the metal objects. Now try to remove the battery connection and see what happens. You can see that now no more nail is magnetic. Moral: the electricity flowing through the copper wire has passed into the iron nail, making it magnetic. Let's make your own water pump with balloon and a bottle. Take an empty bottle. Now make a small hole with drill machine halfway up on one side of the bottle. Put a straw through the hole. Now seal the hole with a glue. Take an empty glass and place below the straw. Now remove the bottle cap. Now fill up the bottle with some water. Now blow up a balloon and hold it. Wow! The air in the balloon pushes the water out, creating your own water pump. Moral: pressure is created when air is trapped inside balloon. By releasing the air from the balloon into the bottle, water is forced out through the straw, creating a water pump. Let's learn how the candles are blown off in presence of CO2. Take an empty glass. Now put 3 lighted candles in a row. Take another empty glass. Put some soda in the empty glass. Now pour some vinegar into it. Now take this glass with soda and vinegar near an empty glass so carbon dioxide passes to it. Now take the glass with carbon dioxide and move over candles. Wow! The carbon dioxide from the glass blow the candles. Moral: when you mix baking soda and vinegar, you produce carbon dioxide. Now flame needs oxygen to sustain and carbon dioxide acts as fire extinguisher.